Good morning class, welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic at our Department of Information Technology. On today's we will start the 51st lecture on course that is subject data structure using C. Here vision mission of departmental vision statement to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Course outcome after the completion of unit number 5, which CO you achieve, that is fifth CO, that is implement programs to create and traverse tree to solve the problems. Here syllabus for course total 5 units are there and their marks allocation. Here syllabus for unit number 5. Now we continue on that today's lecture. Next point, that is introduction to graph and their graph terminologies. Introduction to graph. Graph is one of the most important non-linear data structure. Non-linear means what? In that no any sequence are there. It is used to describe a wide variety of relationship between objects and in practice can be related to at most everything. In the last section we studied the tree data structure, which is the special class of graph. In tree structure, there exists a hierarchical relationship between parent and children, and there exists a unique path between every pair of vertices. Okay, means what in that said as that in a tree, hierarchical relationship will be created in a parents and children's, and that only for unique path will be created on that parents and children, means in a two nodes. In a graph, there may exist more than one path between any two vertices. It is a difference between tree and graph. Tree and graph both are the non-linear, but in a tree only for create the unique path on that parents and children node, means what in a two node. But in a graph, one or more than one path will be created. Graph have many applications in subjects as diverse as sociology, chemistry, geography, mathematics, electrical and computer engineering. Following table compare the tree and graph data structure. Okay, tree and graph. In a tree, the question is asked difference between tree and graph. Okay. A tree is a data structure in which each node is attached to one or more nodes as a children's. A graph is a collection of vertices or nodes which are joined as a pairs of lines or edges. In that also collection of nodes, but in that attached to the one or more nodes to the only for children's. In that join the pairs means more than one lines or edges will be created on that graph. Tree, this is a non-linear this is a non-linear data structures. This is also non-linear data structure. Okay, this is not a difference, in that only for one difference. Apart from these differences, in yourself you also write it. Third, all the trees can be graphs. Okay, all the graphs are not a tree. Clear that? Okay, means it is the tree was it is one part of that graph. Okay, that's like in a tree, what is in that set? All the trees can a graph, and all graphs are not a tree, because in that graphs one or more than one path will be created in that vertices, but it is not a definition in a tree. So it is not a tree, can be a graph. That's said as. Next difference, the common tree traversal methods are in order, pre-order, post-order traversal. The two common graph traversal methods are breadth first search and depth first search. Fifth difference, it is the undirected and connected. It is a directed or undirected, can be connected or not connected. In that only for undirected connections are there, in that also directed or also undirected connections are there. Again, one difference is that it cannot be a cyclic, it can be cyclic or acyclic. Cycle means last node are connected to the first node, means cycle will be created, means on that circle wise. Okay, so in that tree is not that structure, but in that graph their structure will be available, that is the cyclic or acyclic. In that cannot be a cyclic in a tree. These are the difference between trees and graphs. After that, a graph is a theoretical representation of the relationship between entities. A graph G is a collection of nodes which are called as vertices. Okay. A connected is pairs by line segments called as the edges E. E means edges, V means vertices, that is node. The set of vertices are represented as a V of G. Clear that? Means the set of vertices are represented by as a V of G, and set of edges are representation of the E of G. G is the graph. In a G, which are the collection of vertices is the set of vertices. In a graph, which collection of edges is the set of edges. So we can represent the graph as a G is equal to in bracket V comma E. V means vertices, E means edges, as shown in this figure. Okay. A, D, C, E, B are the vertices. These are the edges. Okay. In this figure, real world example of graph. This one represent the courses and order in which they must be taken to complete a major in a computer science at Nirali College. Means one examples are given that it is the one maths is the one course. There the complete the major main major or any that order or any that part on that college that are will be given that. In yourself you write your own examples. This also grant that. Next point, a graph is a non-linear data structure. A graph consists of a set of non-empty vertices together with the set of edges, and each edge joins the two different vertices. Okay. In that, a graph is a non-linear data structure. After that, a graph consists of set of non-empty vertices. Okay. After that, also together the set of edges. Also, each edge joins to the two different vertices. A path of sequence of distinct vertices, each adjacent to the next, except possibly the first vertices and last vertices is the different. There are two types of graphs, namely directed graph and undirected graph, as shown in the explained below. First, directed graph. If edge between any two nodes is directionally oriented, a graph referred as a directed graph or a digraph. We can define the directed graph as a graph whose pairs are ordered in a is called as directed graph, or another definition is a graph in which each edge is directed is called as directed graph. It is directed in a two nodes using that edges, that is said as the directed graph. Shown in example, the set of vertices. Which are the vertices? 1, 2, 3. How to that define this type to define it? Okay, set of vertices is equal to in opening curly braces vertices name, after that closing the curly braces. It is the syntax how to define the set of vertices. After that, it is the syntax of set of edges to write in a curly braces, write in a rectangle less than greater than sign in angular. Okay, not a angular, is the less than greater than in between the sign, write the edge. Directed 1 to 2 is directed form, direction are there, so 1 comma 2. After that 2 to 1, after that 2 to 3, 3 to 2. This two, how two directions will be created on that graph, that through writing, means 1 to 2 going direction, so 1 comma 2. 2 to 1 going, that's 2 to 1, 2 to 3, so 2 to 3, 3 to 2, so 3 to 2, not a 2 to 3. Okay, just like write it. Undirected graph. If an edges between any two nodes is not directionally oriented, a graph is referred as an undirected graph or unqualified graph. We can define undirected graph as if a graph is not oriented, it is called as unordered graph or just a graph, or a graph in which each edge is a undirected graph is called as undirected graph. As in a figure shows that. In that, how to set the vertices also defined using this same procedure. In a opening curly braces, write the vertices name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the set of edges, in that different from write the set of edges. In that also signs are different. In a curly braces write down, but in that only for in that less than greater than signs are used. In that angular brackets are used. Clear that difference that. In a directed graph, how to show the edges. In a undirected graph, how to show the edges. That mind it. Okay. In that, okay, 1 2 2, 1 2 3, 1 2 4. Clear that 2 2 3, sorry 2 2 3, 2 2 5, and 2 2 4, and after that 3 2 4 and 4 2 5. Clear that edges will be created. Clear that first 1 2 which are 1 2 3, so 1 2 3 right, 2 2 2 1 already created it, so not the right again, that only for 2 2 5, 2 2 4, 2 2 3. That 3 2 3 2 1, 3 2 2 already created, so 3 2 4 is write down, and 4 2 5 write down. All remaining are completed. In 5 2 all are completed it already. So clear that how to write that edges. For that, in a following figure, the graph G1 and G2 are undirected graphs and G3 is a directed graph. The graph G2 is also called as a tree. G1, G3 are not. Tree are the special case of graph. Okay, in that set as the G1, G2, G3. Okay, G1 and G2 is a undirected graph. G3 is a directed graph. G3 is a directed graph. G1 and G2 is the undirected graph. After that, another one saying that this G2, this G1 graph, G2, G3. The G2 is the tree structure. Remaining two are not. In that edges vertices 1 2 3 4. In that 1 2 4, 1 2. Okay, their left right child 6 7. In that, clear that. Right. In a G1 graph 1 2 3 4 vertices are there. In a vertices of G2, these vertices and G3. Okay. After that, these are the undirected graph G1 and G2. So write in a this way. It is G3 is a directed graph. So write this way. Clear that? These are vertices 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3. In that 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 means what? 1 2 2 1 2 4 1 2 3. After that 2 2 4 3 2 4 and 2 2 3. Right. In that 1 2 2 2 2 4 2 2 5 1 2 3 3 2 6 3 2 7. In that 1 2 2 2 2 3 and 2 2 3. Let's say as 1 2 2 2 2 1 2 2 3. In that this 1 2 2 3 4. After that 2 2 3 2 2 4 3 2 6. 1 2 3 1 2 2 1 2 3. After that 2 2 2 is the root 2 2 4 2 2 5. That 3 is the root 2 child left and right 6 and 7. That's like clear that how to write only for edges are right. Okay. Next point, graph terminologies. Terminologies of graph is given below. That first, adjacent node, when there is a edge from one node to another node, then these nodes are called as adjacent node. Okay. Example means neighbor nodes. I said as adjacent node. Node 1 is called as adjacent to the node 2, as there exists inner edges from the node 1 and node 2, as shown in that figure. Node 2 is called as successor of node 1. Okay, these are the node 2 is successor of that node 1, and node 1 is the predecessor of the node 2. Clear that? Which are the next node of that in the directed graph are there? 1 to 2 node. So 2 is the next, so 2 is the successor of. Okay, firstly before of that D1. Okay, not a before. Okay, not a before, after, successor after. 1 after 2 is coming, so directed is 1 to 2, so 2 is the successor of node, means after that, and predecessor means before. So in that sense, the T node 1 is the predecessor of 2. Before that 2 node, 1 node are created, so in that 1 is the predecessor of 2. How to write predecessor and successor? This question is asked. Okay, the set of node adjacent node to node 1 are called as neighbors of the node 1. Node 2, node 3 are the neighbors of the node 1, also said as the neighbors of adjacent node. Second, incidence. In edges is incidence with the vertices if the edges is joined to the vertex. Length of path. The number of edges appearing in a sequence of path is called as length of the path. The path length is equal to the number of edges present in the path. In the number of edges is created, means obviously that a path will be created. Degree of node. The number of edges connected directed to the node is called as degree of node. Number of edges connected to the directly to the node is called as degree of node. Means how many edges are connected with directly to the another node, that are the said as the degree of node. In other words, the degree of node is the number of edges containing the node. In that figure shows that degree of 10 is 2, directly connected only for two edges, to 20 and 30, so 2. Node of 20 is also 2. Okay, in that directly which are, how many edges are connected? 1 and 2. For node 30, 4, because this edge and these 2 edges, so 4. Node 40, 2 edges are directly connected. Clear that? Degree of node. In degree, the number of edges pointing towards the node are called as in degree or in order. In that figure shows that in the not a 59 figure, in a 58 figure, that in degree of node 1 is 0. In degree of node is 0. Why 0? These are the not towards, these are the go away. Okay, means 1 to 2 directed, 1 to 3 directed, not a 2 to 1 or 3 to 1. So that in degree is 0. In degree towards, from vertices to which are the nodes, which are the edges will be going. Okay, 1 to, sorry, not to going, coming. Means what? In a vertices which are the coming the edges are said as the in degree. Not any coming the edges, all are the out. Okay, so in degree is 0. In degree of that node 2 is 2. This is the from 1 to 2 also in degree towards that node edges. 3 to 2 also towards that edges. Clear that? These edges will be come to that vertices, so it is said as the in degree. Which are the out, that are the opposite out degree. The number of edges pointing away from that node are called as out degree. In that figure shows that the out degree is 2, so 2 out degree, and out degree of 2 is 0, because in that in degree are there. Clear that? Opposite are both are in degree and out degree. After that, source. A node which has only outgoing edges and no incoming edges is said to be source. Which are the outgoing edges are only for no any incoming, that are said as the source. In a node 1 is the source, because in that no any out degree, sorry, no any incoming degree, incoming not a degree, edges, incoming edges, that only for outgoing edges, so it is said as a source. Sink. A node having only incoming edges and no outgoing edges is said as a sink. Opposite that source and sink. In that figure 2 is the sink, because in that no any outgoing, only for incoming edges are there, so 2 is the sink. After that, pendant node. When in degree of node is 1 and out degree is 0, then such a node is called as pendant node. Means what? When a in degree of node is 1, okay, and out degree is 0. Only for in degree is 1, out degree is 0. That our node is called as pendant node. In that node, in that incoming is 2, so not is only for incoming 1, that is said as the pendant node. After that, reachable. If a path exists between the two nodes, if the path exists between reachable, if path exists between two nodes, it will be called as reachable from the one node to another node. Means path created that in a two nodes, that is said as the reachable. After that, articulation point means if on removing the node the graph gets disconnected, then that node is called as articulation point. Articulation point means in the figure that's said as the node 3 and a articulation point, means in that figure 3 is the middle node. Okay, when we remove that node, means this graph will be disconnected, okay, disconnected. Okay, so it is said as the articulation point. This means what? Node 3 is the articulation point. Why this articulation point? Because when we remove that node of 3, that time graph will get the disconnected with each other, so said as that articulation point. Biconnected graph. The biconnected graph is a graph which does not contain any articulation point. Means that no any articulation point that are said to be a bidirect. Means when we remove any node, that time also not disconnected of that graph, that is said as the biconnected graph. Singling or loop. An edges of graph which joins a node to itself is called as singling or loop. In that figure show that is one is the itself are joined, that is said as the loop. Next, the parallel edges. The two distinct edges between the pair of a node which are opposite in a direction are called as the parallel edges. These are the parallel edges. E1, E2. Weightage edges. Okay. An edges which has a numbered value assigned to it is called as weightage edges. In that figure shows that E1. Okay, E1 is the edge 1, E2 is the edge 2. In that also E1 is the edge. In that give the value 3. So it is called as weightage edge. Edge means that create the path of that two vertices. Weightage edge in a graph. Isolated node. If degree of node is 0, if degree of node is 0, that is if the node is not having any edges, then it is called as the isolated node. That B is an isolated node because in that no any edges are there, no any having that edges, so it is a B node is the isolated node. Isolated graph. A graph which has set of empty edges or is an containing the only isolated node is called as null graph or isolated graph. Means no any edges, set of edges, okay, empty edges are there, that is the said as the isolated graph. V1 is the only for one vertices are there, so it is the called as isolated graph. No any edges are there. Weighted graph. Weighted edge, that weighted graph. A graph in which weighted are assigned to every node is called as weighted graph. Weights of and edges is also called as cost. Okay, they are given the values, pass the values, that is called as a weighted of that graph. Finite graph. Finite graph. A graph which has a finite number of nodes and a finite number of edges is known as the finite graph. Means given the fixed number of edges or fixed number of node, that is said as the finite graph. Directed acyclic graph. A directed graph is acyclic if it has no cycles are created. So it is said as the acyclic. That shows that A to B one cycle, B to D cycle, D to C cycle. Okay. Sorry, not a cycle. Create the path or edges. A to B, B to D, D to C. Not a C to A. When we create the C to A means circle will be create means cyclic graph. That not a cyclic because A to B, B to D, D to C. Not a C to A to C. So not a create the cycle. So it is said as the directed acyclic graph. Multigraphs. A graph containing self loop or parallel edges or both is called as multigraph. Means self loop or parallel edges, so it is as a multigraph. Simple graph. If there is no more than one edges between a pair of the node, then such a graph is called as simple graph. Means in that only no more than one edges connected between that pair. Only for one edges are connected. That is said as a simple graph. Complete graph. A graph is complete or completely connected if and only if every pair of vertices are connected in the least one direction. That shows that means every node are connected with each other. One connected 4, 3 and 2. 2 is connected to 1, 3, 4. 4 is connected to 2, 1, 3. 3 is connected to 1, 3, 2, 4. It is said as the completely graph. Complete. What is indicated? All vertices are connected with each other. That is said as the complete graph. Null graph. A graph containing only isolated node is called as the null graph. In a previous point that said that. Connected graph. A graph G is connected if there is path between the every pair of vertices. Means when pair will be created on that vertices that are connected, so it is said as the connected graph. Subgraph. Subgraph is a graph in which vertex and edges set are the subgraph of the graph. Means this is the one main graph. This subgraph is the subgraph and this is the subgraph. These are the subgraphs. Divide that graph. This is the main graph. Path. A path is a sequence of consecutive edges between a source and destination through a different nodes. This is the source, this is the destination. Create that path. A path said to be closed if source is equal to the destination. The path is said to be simple if all nodes are distinct. A path is a sequence of distinct vertices, each adjacent to the next. The length of such path is number of edges on that path. Okay, means length of path means edges created means obviously the path will be created. So number of edges means number of path. After that, in that said as the adjacent to next. Path means the sequence of adjacent to next, means next elements or next node, that is the adjacent node. So in that adjacent to the next, that is the create that edge, that is the said as the path. Cyclic. A path from a node to itself is called as cycle. Thus a cycle is a path in which the initial and final vertices are same. A cycle is closed path with length 3 or more. A cycle of length k is called as k cycle. The path A, B, C, A, B, C, in that diagram is wrong, that not in that cyclic means that arrow B is direction means A to B, B to D, D to C and C to A. These are the cycle will be created. That said as that a path from a node itself is called as cycle. Okay, thus the cycle is the path in which initial and final vertices is the same. Means A is the initial and stop also, final also A. A to B, B to D, D to C, C to A. So it is said as the cyclic. And also in that said as the closed with path more than 3 means path created will be 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 3 or more than 3, that time to create that cyclic. So in that only for return that the path is the in the direction will be changed A to B, B to D, D to C and C to A, not A to C, C to A. And what is the path that A, B, D, C, A, these are the cyclic graph. A cyclic graph, that this other statement will be changed that, okay, only for in that write the path A, B, D, C, A is the cyclic, and in that only for change the direction C to A, not A to C. Okay, this only for change that in our notes. Next, acyclic graph. A graph without cycle is called as acyclic graph. It is a diagram with no cycles. In that no create the cycle A1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and not a 4 to 1, 1 to 4, not to create the cycle. So it is the uncyclic graph. Mixed type graph. If some of the edges are directed and some of the edges are undirected in a graph, then it is graph is called as mixed graph. In that not showing that, only for showing the directed graph, not showing the undirected graph. Okay, means the some are directed and some edges are undirected. In that all of the edges are directed. Change in that in your notes. For example, B to C, not the directed, only for create the simple line, means this line. This like only for create that. That time it is said as the mixed type. What is meant by mixed type? In that directed edges and undirected edges combination. This like this diagram is draw for that this point mixed type graph. This graph will be drawn because in that directed graph also present and undirected graph, directed edges are also present and undirected edges are also present. This is the directed edges 1, 2, 3, 4 and these are the undirected edges. So this is the said as the mixed type of graph. It is not right this diagram. Clear that? What? Because in that said as the if some of the edges are directed and some of the edges undirected graph. Undirected in a graph, then that graph is said as the mixed graph. This in that all edges are the directed, so in that not is a mixed type. This is the mixed type because in that edges is the undirected, this is the directed edges, so it is said as the mixed type of graph. Clear that? These also change in your notes. Here these are the terminologies of graph. These are the total 30 terminologies we have studied. In that firstly that terminologies are there, these are the important. Okay, that question asks for 8, 4 or 2, whatever they just, or also asked to the particular terminology name will be given and explain that time. So all 30 terminologies you will be studied it. Only for firstly 4 or 8 not studied that. Particular said as explain the acyclic graph. Okay, that time what will happen that, so all 30 terminologies we will be studied that. Summary on that today's lecture. In this lecture we studied the point introduction to graph, differentiate between tree and graph, after that graph terminologies. Here homework for you, continue the assignment number 5. These are the given the questions. Here stop on today's lecture. Thank you.